dangerous activities. Don't do it.
So we're here at a great big mining camp.
Lots of big old waste rock piles.
Yeah. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. And more I want to go there, but these are cool too. We'll go there eventually.
Yeah. Some kind of heater. This was probably to separate rock grains. I don't actually know, because we're so far down in the camp. This might have been quarters. Well, RIP to the door. Wall's bowing pretty good there. This is where you hang your rifle. Right there. Somebody's gonna tell me what you actually hang there. Huh. Maybe a water closet, or, I mean, this is, to me it looks like a laundry room, but I know that's not what it is.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they'd prioritize a restroom over a laundry room.
I don't know about a restroom. They'd probably have that separate from everything.
Could be a small little kitchen.
Yeah. Looks like gas coming through, not water. So probably
kitchen. That's a
built
nice
in the way that we
door.
build laundry rooms now.
Makes me mad that someone took it off.
It is kind of sad. All right. Around these trees we got
That one's not doing too hot.
another structure that did not fare so well.
Oh, this one's definitely boarding.
Looks like there's a bottle on the porch. What do you got here? Was that? Oh man, electrical box here. It's just rocks and coil now. The emblem's falling off.
I don't know. Still slept in it though. There is a mattress in there.
Yeah.
Whatever it was.
Yeah.
I wonder what caved in the roof.
Yeah. So this is snowy, but it's not typically a very heavy rainfall area.
Well, it's such a dry snow that it's not that heavy either.
All right. So boards are pretty creaky. Door still works.
Kinda.
Yeah. Carpet in here. Somebody's blouse.
Yeah, I doubt that's as old as the mine though. I think that's just.
Ugh. I think it's safe to say that rats like it in here. So we got power. Just quick charge your phone. That's what they did up here. When the miners.
Is that baby food?
Oh, check it out. It does say best
Mayonnaise.
foods. Yep, best foods mayonnaise. Oats and honey.
Worse than baby food.
Just looks like advertisements, right? General trash. Some of these look
That's
like.
a small curler.
Oh yeah, the old style.
It's actually more like a perm rod.
So I'm seeing a lot of these just lying around. Looks like this one's in better shape. Patient ledger. This was a medical barracks? Strange. That's
it's probably a multi-purpose, but...
Well, and probably evolved over time, too. Carnation down there on the floor. Wow.
A little hot pad holder.
Yeah. Shower. That's what it looked like from the other room, but it's not. Commode. So you were right. This is a little more modern. Cement floor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Maybe it was still a shower. I don't know. I'm not seeing that, but I did have this on the floor. So maybe that's just how they used to do bathrooms, is with a big drain pipe.
Most public restrooms have an extra drain pipe in the
Do they?
middle. Yeah.
I guess I don't use enough
So plunger.
most public restrooms. I only go to truck stops.
Well, most houses have them too.
Mine don't.
Not in the bathroom. It's usually in the basement.
Yeah. In the basement. We got a shoe of some kind here.
Nice.
Yeah.
There's a visor behind you. That one's not as old as
Oh yeah.
I left by miners.
All right. This looks like
Most
a.
of the ladies were still trying to take care of themselves, though. Perm rods and other crochet.
Yeah. This looks like a workshop of some kind.
Yeah, it does.
Honestly, it looks like a small garage for smaller engines, but. Interesting. Oh, a photograph. I'll be darned.
That's not even the same building.
Nope. Interesting. So, waste rock piles right there. I think the road we want is here to get up to it. Larger, obviously, a workshop area. Right next to it, we've got these buildings. It's much smaller, but still tin on the exterior. Looks like the floor cracked right inside.
Oh,
This-
geez.
Wow.
This is intense.
Yeah.
Maybe whatever this is was just
Bad
too
day.
heavy for it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Didn't do it right here, though.
Interesting. Looks like we're gonna have to go higher to see how this was all dropping down, but you've got some kind of ore funnel there. Got another hole?
Yeah.
Well, that's a deeper one. Let's see what this is all about. I think this is the door. So I think they did work in here. Yeah.
I don't know how you came to that conclusion.
Well, I see pipe
Things
ends,
and stuff.
electric.
Stuff and things.
Yeah, I'm not smart enough to know what they were doing. These look like they might open. Kind of cool.
Transistor radio batteries.
Nice. You're always gonna need some of those.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like they were running the ore through there. We'll go take a look from the top. There's those side buildings. Very small. Looks like the door's still on that one.
Yeah, that's not where the door is supposed to be, though.
This is your quarters. Hey, look, this one works.
Hey.
The wood has
Yeah.
stressed to the point where you can't close it anymore.
Oh, this is kind of cool.
Yeah. Sink here. Oh, the chair, of course, for sitting. Still good.
Yeah.
Huh. Can you imagine? This is like where you live. This is what you wake up to every day.
I don't know, it's not so bad. In this condition, it's, I mean, rough. But it's probably pretty cute. Interesting how they did the roof out of something different back here.
You're right. It's all wooden. Or I should say,
Add-on.
it's like actual local timbering.
Oh, I love the cornflakes stuff.
Yeah, this is kind of fun snow. Very strange, huh?
I don't know if I can see how strange it is on camera.
Have faith. Did you find a hole?
I did.
That could be pretty bad, kiddo.
Probably not anymore.
All right. Head on up. If I didn't already know it was workshops, it almost looks like an old Hollywood set for Main Street.
Yeah.
I think we'll have to take a look at you later, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely a portal.
Even sounds like cornflakes when you walk through it.
Yeah, it does.
It's like Frosted Flakes falling out of the box. Looks like somebody's been taking pot shots at the old water heater.
Some sort of like washing type station too. It's weird that it's wood, but like
It is, isn't it? I wonder if they had like something,
On
maybe like a
top of it.
porcelain. Yeah. And that was just holding it in place.
makes sense.
Probably the commode right there.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
looks like
toilet
it.
paper roll. Of course. Nice barrel. Some shelves. Doesn't look like there's anything on them anymore. Just a couple of pipe fittings.
Some good storage area though.
Yeah.
Does the store still work?
I don't think so. Nothing in here. Whatever was here, they stripped it. Just bare.
Well, it's all over the ground. There's parts of core samples.
Yeah, could be. Maybe it was the archive.
Oh, part of it. I think they kept some of it outside too.
So, looks like bags of cement or lime.
Yeah,
Looks like
probably lime.
Yeah. We're such experts now. So, this is above where we just were looking. More of a secondary workshop area to get or into the mill. So, pretty safe bet. There was tracks coming from the portal to here, drop it through there, work its way through the mill and get reduced to some point before being trucked out of here. Pretty cool. You know, not the longest abandoned that we've ever seen, but it still looks like it's pretty done. It'd be pretty tough to try to make this into something again.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked that video, feel free to check out the others we've got on the channel or subscribe to see each week's upload. Catch y'all on the next one.